CHZ generally faces our position at 20 cents incredibly. CHZ down roughly 3.12% inside the truly most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz generally shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which especially is very critical. 12 February 2024, in this video we'll walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is extremely transient cost expectation for Chilliz, really is CHZ a very wise speculation, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely critical. However, prior to jumping pretty profound into the CHZ specialized examination, sort of allowed us in a real sense to discuss the ongoing economic situations, which truly is very huge. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there by and large, was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,786,952,369,650, which generally shows that CHZ sort of countenances obstruction at 20 cents in a for the most part huge manner. The kind of all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $45,892,662,127, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally shows that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20, which essentially is very huge. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81% in an especially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. Sold the exceptionally local coin of Solana truly is somewhere near 5 and right now exchanging at $104.74, or so they really thought. Moreover, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.08% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in a descending bearing for kind of present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. As of now, a sort of broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a by and large significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers for the most part become kind of more certainly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large shows that help sort of is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more really dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants by and large move fundamentally dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that as of now, a for the most part broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they basically thought. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, truly is at $0.099, down 3.12% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and in a real sense, has a value change of 1.56% throughout the week and in every way that really matters, large way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 37,097,990.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $877,388,742 United States dollars, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 37,097,990.00 United States dollars, while pretty all-out market cap came to $877,388,742 United States dollars in an all things considered significant way. There generally are practically 8,888,290,622 basically are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, especially further appearance how chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 12 February 2024, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period for the most part made sense of beneath, showing how there by and large are practically 8,888,290,622 truly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, genuinely further appearance how chiliz support and opposition levels, and so on, or so they for the most part thought. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the chiliz. Showing how Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Examination for 12 February 2024 inside a day-to-day time span, generally made sense of beneath, showing how there explicitly are practically 8,888,290,622, by and large, are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, for the most part further appearance how chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which truly is very huge. He certainly relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin explicitly is right now floating at 28 for 14 days pretty normal line, which basically implies CHZ for the most part is an oversold zone, and a pattern in every way that really matters, inversion sort of is conceivable, so CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20 in a kind of enormous way. The chiliz for the most part has by and large break all its in a real sense, upholds levels and things in every practical sense, are not searching in every way that really matters, great for the crypto market, so the chiliz truly has generally break all its truly upholds levels, and things truly are not looking very great for the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Presently, in every practical sense, bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively especially take CHZ cost beneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, which basically shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 37,097,990.00 United States dollars, while especially complete market cap came to $877,388,742 United States dollars. Showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 37,097,990.00 United States dollars, while really all-out market cap came to $877,388,742 United States dollars in a kind of huge manner. The CHZ United States dollar moving extremely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, pointer generally is showing a present moment explicitly sell